Hello, good morning, students. How are you? How are you doing? Today we are going to see some common English expressions for IELTS classes. So first one is take for granted. Take for granted is used. This expression is used to assume that something will always be there. We often take our parents for granted as children, unaware that one day they will leave us. So, take for granted means taking someone for granted without being grateful for something. Okay, and the second one is having said that. Having said that, despite what has just been said, that I appreciate your hard work. Having said that, the sales are low this year. So having said that means, I mean, if you want to express something, like there is an expression here, I appreciate your hard work. Having said that means, despite that, the sales are low, but still I appreciate your hard work. So the third option is to be on the safe side. To be on the safe side means, in order to have margin of security against risk, to be on safe side, take some extra cash with you. So we use this expression to be on the safe side. If we want to inform someone for your safety, it's better you take some things with you, or you perform some action. The number fourth is have something in mind. It means some kind of information that we want to share. So the example is, if you don't mind, I have something in mind. Having something in mind means you have some idea and you want to share it with someone. Number five is out of order. A device is not working. Please take the stairs. The elevator is out of order. So I mean, this is pretty much simple. Anything out of order, your TV is not working, your computer is not working, you can say my TV, my computer is out of order. And the sixth expression we normally use is on the point of, just about to do something. I was on the point of eating when the doorbell rang. Yeah. Number seven is keep an eye on. Keep under careful observation. Please keep an eye on the baby. I'm going downstairs. So you can use this expression. Keep an eye on means you looking after something. And then number 8 is no hard feelings, no resentment. There are no hard feelings between us. Hard feeling means like there is no problem between us. There is not any hard feelings between us. So you can use no hard feelings. Then you can use on number 9 is by no means. By no means, not at all. By no means our team will win this match. By no means I'm going to accept your request. So by no means means there is no possibility at all. Turn out to be a fine result. I tried new recipe today and it turned out to be delicious, awful. So these are the 10 expressions, 10 daily expressions you can use with a native speaker while speaking English. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.